Let's take a look at what has been trending, and the hashtag David Rudisha has been on top of the list after Rudisha successfully defended his 800-meter championship title at the Rio Olympic Games, giving Kenya a second gold medal. And that goes without saying. Kenyans on Twitter felt so proud. Let's sample some of your comments here. Fred says, hashtag David Rudisha, injuries and frustration threatened his career, but determination, faith and hard work conquered everything. Hail the king. And then Half Poet here says, he has done it again, celebrating Kenya, hashtag Team Kenya. Congratulations to hashtag David Rudisha. And then Je suis Ben here says, how we nurture them for gold in Rio 2016. Congrats, hashtag David Rudisha, hashtag Team Kenya, hashtag Mursik. And Kayeli here said, the name David was destined for winners like David the King in the Bible, while Rudisha means bring back, he brought back victory. Hashtag David Rudisha. And finally, Susan Jepkoechia says, congrats David Rudisha, it was worth waking up for a proud Kenyan. And how would you describe Kenya in 3 words? We have some of the opinions from Kenyans on Twitter here. Economist here says, hashtag Kenya in 3 words, wins for Bahrain, hotbed of corruption, hashtag. Dennis Otieno says, Kenya in 3 words, tyranny of talent, great talent. Investigations are ongoing. I am Kenny Ovita here says, Kenya in 3 words, Rudisha is king indeed. Finally here from Benja who says, together as one, hashtag Kenya in 3 words. And that's all we had for you today. Back to you.